away they go. Extreme Connection, fast to begin, followed by Federal Court. Moving up is Lovely Tara. Down on the inside is Princess Erica. Also rushing up is Marigold. Marigold, Extreme Connection, Princess Erica. Lovely Tara is racing in forward by some two lengths. Lovable Tricia. Federal Court racing in 6, running in 7. Dazzling Cat, second last Venasop and Prospector's Cat is running at the tail of the field. Extreme Connection by some two lengths. Princess Erica running in second. Lovely Tara is now racing in third. Marigold, Federal Court, and Lovable Tricia as they race the final corner. Extreme Connection by some two lengths. Princess Erica down on the inside. Lovely Tara, and nearing the finish line. Extreme Connection by some 4 lengths now. Princess Erica moving up by Federal Venasop and Lovely Tara, Federal Court, and nearing the finish line, number 5, and this one is Extreme Connection. Princess Erica, Lovely Tara, Venasop, close for your Fenta Fecta between Lovable Tricia and Federal Court.